combustible substance cannot catch fire or burn as long as its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. So have you ever seen cooking oil catching fire? So whenever you might have seen it that when you are cooking something with oil and sometimes the oil catches fire. So why does the oil catch fire when you are frying something? This happens because you have heated the frying pan and the heat of the frying pan heats the oil. When the oil becomes very hot, it automatically catches fire because it has reached its burning temperature. So the moment any substance reaches its ignition temperature, it catches fire. Kerosene and wood do not catch fire on their own at room temperature, but when kerosene is heated a little, it will catch fire. When wood is heated a little, it will still not catch fire. Why? Because the wood has a higher ignition temperature. It has a higher temperature of burning. So ignition temperature of kerosene oil and wood are both different. The ignition temperature of kerosene oil is lower and the ignition temperature of wood is higher. So that is why kerosene catches fire faster and wood catches fire slowly. So we need to take special care in storing kerosene oil. So whenever you are storing kerosene, or you might have seen wherever kerosene or petrol are kept, there it is written inflammable. So it means the substance can catch fire at a low temperature very quickly because their ignition temperature is low. So this shows that ignition temperature is important for every substance to catch fire. Now here an interesting activity is given. There are paper cones made. 2 paper cones are made. Make 2 paper cones by folding a sheet of paper. In the first cone you put water and in the second cone you don't put anything. And bring both the cones, one cone which is having water inside it, the other cone which does not have water, bring them over a burning candle. What will you find? You will see that the cone which is having water inside, it does not burn, and the cone which is having nothing inside, it catches fire within few seconds. So why do you think that the cone did not catch fire which had water inside? This happens because when you put water inside the cone, paper cone, and you are heating it, the heat supplied to the paper is quickly taken by the water inside and the water becomes hot. But water is hot, but it does not cool the substance. So as soon as you heat the substance, the water inside also becomes hot and it distributes the heat fast. So the cone which is having water inside, it does not become hot from the bottom, so it does not catch fire. The cone which is having nothing inside or empty, the moment you bring it over the fire, the paper reaches its burning temperature and it immediately catches fire. So this is showing that every substance can burn when it has reached its ignition temperature. If a substance does not reach its ignition temperature, the substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire are called inflammable substance. So as we did earlier that petrol and diesel and kerosene, these substances have a low ignition temperature, therefore they catch fire easily. They are called inflammable. Like LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, it is also inflammable. It can catch fire very easily. So why does it catch fire easily? Because the burning molecules are having a shape. So the burning molecules of a burning substance, they help the burning easily. So LPG is burning, it is a combustible substance, it can be burnt because it is in gaseous form. So therefore there are many other examples where substances are inflammable. The inflammable means the substance which can catch fire very easily.